Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren urges all MLAs to unitedly fight against threats on territorial integrity of Manipur. Biren tells Assembly that there is no hidden agenda in tripartite talk with United Naga Council. Opposition MLA Joy Kisan asked government to remove designated camps of NSC and IM from Manipur. Government to declare results of constable recruitment soon. Police Department has 7,411 vacant posts. UCM accuses outfits of Kuki Mizo-Chin under suspension of operation of indulging in violent activities outside designated camps. And 2 persons held on cybercrime charges remanded to police custody for 3 days. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangma Monica with the latest news updates. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren today urged all the members of Manipur Assembly to unitedly fight against any threats on territorial integrity of Manipur. Replying to a discussion on demand number 7 police in the House, today the Chief Minister called for a united stand when it comes to protecting the territorial integrity of the state against demand by NSC and IM or demand for Kuki homeland. He was responding to the issue raised by opposition MLA Khumukcham Joy Kishan. Raising a cut policy motion, Congress MLA Joy Kishan told the House that it is unfortunate that the government has been unable to remove the designated camps of NSC and IM from Manipur where there is no ceasefire. He questioned the Chief Minister, who also holds the home portfolio, if there are plans in place to remove these camps. In his response, the Chief Minister assured the House that the government has a firm stand to protect the territorial integrity of the state and that the House has also resolved to protect the territorial integrity of the state. Biren maintained that although the government faces many challenges in terms of manpower shortage and geographical factor, it is trying to evict the NSC and IM camps and its cadres from Manipur. The new government has so far arrested 33 cadres of NSC and IM and are still looking into arresting more.
Manipur territorial integrity da threat laiba si NSN IM the bunalaktre ji kano si open way haribo si gi laiba pon mayam se koi we have to fight jointly koi punna fight to minaba tabani thengna ga su lai aduga recently ngarang na handasu koi house na high river state ki any boundary se NSN IM oigera Kuki gi oigera Maitai gi oigera whoever what is haba matamda state shigi boundary gi machet na sok pa yaroi madu du sok na gi namta constitution ki article 3 da piriba madu gi hakto daida Manipur gi assembly ga ya ba yaudana tawroi na haibi semto piu haidana koi resolution bholo ro thari doni madu daida akhoi gi difference opinion leite.
The Chief Minister also assured the members of providing the required equipments for forensic science and Manipur bomb squad under the police modernization scheme. He also said the centre will be informed about the shortages of fire service stations. He was responding to the cut motions moved by opposition MLAs on demand number 7 police and demand number 31 fire and protection and control. Congress MLA K. Ranjit drew the attention of the Chief Minister to the shortcomings of the forensic science department, while MLA Joy Kishan raised the issues faced by the bomb squads. MLAs Yamthong Haukep, Okram Henry and Abdul Nasser appealed to the Chief Minister to set up fire service stations at places where there is no such stations.
Rape case madu proof tong na bohona makananda DNA test rakali madu ki DNA test to kita we have to send it to Calcutta or somewhere madu puna maktu ekoi khana re har kanda yengjere ure har kanda koina police modernization ki scheme si da koi hapchar kanda madu fagat hanna ba anoba equipment sing do koi acquire tong na ba do koi hona jage haidana masima thamjari.
Chief Minister N. Biren told the House that there is no hidden agenda in the tripartite talk with the United Naga Council (UNC). He assured the members that people's opinion and consent will be taken before coming to an agreement with the UNC if required. Responding to the opposition MLA Khumukcham Joykishan, who asked the relation between the tripartite talk of the UNC and the formation of the 7 new districts, the Chief Minister said the government exists for the people and as such the government will not work against the interest of the people. He said the government will resolve the demands of the UNC through dialogue. Opposition MLA K. Ranjit raised a cut motion on the wayward behavior of cadres of underground outfits and their suspension of operation. Replying to the cut motion, Chief Minister Biren said the government has begun keeping a close eye on the matter. He said 52 cadres who defied the ground rule have been arrested so far. He also said talks will be held with KNA and UPF with Director of Intelligence Bureau as the interlocutor around August 9 and 10.
Ngasi si iba kang si masi chawrok tu ngai tu da marum moi ngai tu da khoina care to hu da bun chai de kang nang ku pai yam ai khoi da masi gi pose thoi su thu gai ba kang bu khoina fari se honorable members in appreciate to bigani 52 numbers 52 cadres KNA gi tarani thoi UPF KNA mi kun gutaru along with ammunition and arms interlocutor ma wari sana within the time frame sahi amada natraga ni yam sanga satha roi praja ware singi praja singmi ki praja sing or tampa ki praja Manipur praja ware because of this ceasefire and a suspension of operation UNC na demand ama towe state government na yaroi hai adu gi maram da wari sana praja na yada poto do government na yaroi adu madugi huji moi wari sanarga unarga wangang na buduni government gi policy lanai home minister Biren gi natraga to amso abogi property nate se lot per yaroi da poni am transparently tawni yanaga da posu karino ha budu su praja gi ya yaurga yanani yanaro da potu su karino na praja na yada potu tum yaroi.
Opposition MLA Khumukcham Joykishan today urged the government to remove the designated camps of NSC and IM from Manipur, where there is no ceasefire. The Congress MLA was speaking during the discussion on demands moved by the Deputy Chief Minister. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, who also holds the finance portfolio, moved the demands for grants, which include demand number 7 Police, demand number 24 Vigilance Department, demand number 31 Fire Protection and Control, demand number 32 Jails and demand number 33 Home Guards in the House. Opposition MLAs K. Ranjit, Yamthong Haukib, K.H. Joykisan, Mohammad Abdul Nasir and K. Megachandra raised the cut motion on the above demands on account of failure of the department to safeguard the civilians, inability of the government to flush out NSC and IM from Manipur, non-transparency of the government in holding tripartite talk with UNC and improper deployment of security personnel. The Congress MLAs also raised the issue of the vigilance and fire protection departments. They brought up the issue of inadequate equipments in the fire department and also lack of fire stations at certain locations. They also told the House that the allowance given to the Home Guards is very small and demanded to increase their monthly allowance.
Manipur ki praja gi tangdu lektana ngamandriba micham praja mayam gi punchi hatliba lambi de tawjariba gari chenjeriba mayam ama shikraba MLA phoba hatkraba office ki thabak tawbriba duty mayam hatlibase masigi asugul NSN IM se state chigi flush out tongnaba determination nama lauraga sarkar sina thabak paikhatte sina in thamjiri
makhon kamning bse lungup ta upaga pharaga ngasai gi hat pangamba sigumba mayam am leipse masisu akhoi gi life ta akhoi kihanba pokhanba shanti lehandaba punamak mayam singsi masi home sigi asoba role lei haibse akhoi punamak ne di khange adu masi yodripsi karigino Manipur da total sanction strength se 34,355 ti lei aduga madigi posted strength sina 25,855 ni sa 90% of the area se geographical area se si sina akhoi police ki administration si yongam dramne.
Opposition MLAs raised cut motion on demand number 7 Police in view of the rising crime against women and more justice in the state. Chief Minister N. Biren told the House that a grievance cell will be opened at his office to help fight crime against women. He said there will be 3 to 4 members in a grievance cell. Biren also said delayed justice is the reason behind mob justice. However, the new government is keeping a close eye on the matter and trying to prevent mob justice. Citing an example, he says the case of 1997 mob justice have been solved. 28 persons, including 19 women involved, has been convicted. He praised the police officers who work hard with sincerity on the case. The Chief Minister clarified that the FIR lodged regarding the scuffle that erupted against the transfer of teachers was not against the students, but as it was necessary to investigate how some police personnel got injured in the incident.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯅꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯡꯃ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯒꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯟꯅꯣꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯟꯅꯣ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯩ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯕ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯈꯨꯔꯥꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯄꯥꯗ ꯇꯥꯏꯅꯗꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯕ ꯁꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯟꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯃꯁ ꯁꯦꯔꯤꯌꯁꯂꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯖꯁꯇꯤꯁꯇ ꯗꯤꯂꯦ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯏꯟꯚꯦꯁꯇꯤꯒꯦꯁꯟꯗ justification fazana piraktaba aina pamiba pot achumbado akoina expect toriba potto piraktabadagi oirambasu yai fast cross si yaragadi hoi ahum mari ga thammaga leireiba crime di matungina linkhat pa yarabani adubu financial involvement manpower sange.
Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren today informed the House that the results of the police constable recruitment will be declared soon. He also informed the Assembly that Manipur has 30,818 sanctioned posts of police personnel and there are 7,411 vacancies in the department. The Chief Minister said as soon as the results of the constable recruitment are announced, steps will be taken for the recruitment of 4 IRBs as Highway Protection Force. He was replying to discussion on demand number 7 police. Regarding the demand of Home Guard personnel, Biren told the House that their demand is reasonable, but the government will not be able to meet their demand at one time as it is facing financial crunches. He said the government will meet with the Home Guard personnel to settle the issue. He also said the government is prepared to partially meet their demand, but it cannot implement the order of the Supreme Court as the state does not have enough resources. The Chief Minister told the House that a new transfer policy will be formulated soon to solve the problems faced during transfer of police personnel and appealed for the cooperation of the members.
Ada akhoi state ki se hana akhoi moi se lising ahum gum nang piramba leiramani si manga ne hojik piris lising manga do no kari bu tawdoi no moi gi demand du genuine noi de haibde ai sungam jararoi akhoi da somna pi ga dori du madu gi readiness oidana Madugi resource Sulitana, when my opinion, I will number. I DG level the additional subsecretary level, the Home Guard key, Liberation now, and to what is Harga. Can I have the maximum could I about the P again? No, turning on. Hujila releasing Manga to the Karai Hankalaga, Taurosu, Aduina, the high between the Mokte, people and weak conditions late. Adu Kanabaya Kadai Hog the Koi, people have a Kanabaya Lege, Akushukan the Canary. Haidana Haigi Badilla, I want to personally. Representative America or Kanda. Tangai for the Napi state financial condition. Adu Tangai for the Moida to the other Potokai powder, the Wayage, what is Hana Topiu, Haidana, even the Carle, the issue again, and my I give mission at my Tamjagre.
The House today passed demands for grants of 5 different departments amounting to 1,412 crore 71 lakh and 29,000 rupees. The demands include 1,359 crore 72 lakh and 11,000 rupees for Police Department, 3 crore 92 lakh and 62,000 rupees for Vigilance Department, 13 crore 85 lakh 45,000 rupees for Fire Protection and Control, 19 crore 61 lakh 58,000 rupees for jails and 15 crore 59 lakh 53,000 rupees for Home Guards.
NSN 6 years Manipur extend to the already leader of the house and high bigger. Adu Bataragadi Makoi flush out on about Sharkas and Kari initiative low gave. Karambazagada operation Chatak Bigit Lerege. Not like a Prazada of Tupu seeking numbers in the power any machine or Peter that I must attack only must have a PBO. I informed those again.
Indian number, there are only 13,642 policemen available. Adu kiamna ekoi the shortage lady ba put sida. Ordinary people punamakta security pikhala agadi. Battalion namamam kahudaba singsigi imung kingsida thambagi chatna bisimatadi masi police ki amasung security personnel singsigi moral sok pada natana tung koina masina lana satki basina home department che lana prajanu uni haiba ai wafam duma khakni in house to thamjning buse
ngasi parja singi pendaba kholau kaya adegi singi area da development tawbu mayam ngamdri hariba mayam tawdri hariba mayam adegi development yawdri hariba mayam se masisu police ki part se si achobo role lay.
Three financial committees of Manipur Legislative Assembly for the financial year 2017-18 have been constituted. According to a notification of the Assembly Secretariat, KSH Biren Yengkhom Surchandra, Didi Thaisi, Samuel Jendai Kamei, KH Joykisan, Mohammad Abdul Nasir and Okram Henry are on the Committee on Public Accounts. AK Mirabai, Mohammad Fazur Rahim O Sukhoi, and Indrajit Asab Uddin and L. Rameshwar and Surja Kumar Okram are members of Committee of Estimates, and K. Megachandra Paunam Brozen, R.K. Imo, Sapam Ranjan, Thokjom Satyabrata, Alfred Khangam Arthur and Haikam Dingo are on the Committee of Public Undertakings. United Committee Manipur has accused the underground outfits of Kuki Mizochin under suspension of operation, with the government have been accused of indulging in violent activities, including murder outside their designated camps. UCM President Ilangbam Johnson today said the government should withdraw the suspension of operation if the signatories violate the agreement and punish those involved in violence according to the law of the land. He said the government cannot solve the problem by declaring that action will be taken against the culprits. Speaking at the Integrity Protection Day organized by Akom Lup Kanglei Park at Manipur Press Club today, Johnson alleged that the outfits which have signed the suspension of operation with the government of Manipur in 2008 have been involved in violent activities, creating panic among the people. He demanded that the designated camps of these outfits should be opened in areas far away from the national highway to ensure peace and safety for the public, as the outfits have used arms outside the designated camps. He maintained that if the security forces use one outfit as shield against another outfit, it will create communal tension. Integrity Protection Day is observed to mark the day in 2001 on which the words "without territorial integrity" were removed from the ceasefire agreement signed between the Government of India and NSCN-IM in Bangkok on June 14, 2001. Police have arrested two persons who posted photo of some girls on Facebook with the caption "they were caught drunk" and produced them in the court today. The arrested persons are identified as Moirang Them Dorendro, 26, son of M. Babu Macha of Charangpat Mamang Lekai, and Sarok Khaibam Opal, 31, son of Estomba from Oinam Awang Lekai. Police sources says the photo was posted on Facebook on the 24th of this month. The girls lodged a complaint on Imphal West Cybercrime Unit on the same day on the ground that the photo had harmed their honor. A complaint was lodged for the second time on the 25th of this month after Sarok Khaibam Opal posted the same photo on Facebook. Imphal West Cybercrime Unit arrested the duo from their houses yesterday. Speaking to media persons, family members of one of the women in the photo said the photo was taken 3 years ago when she went on a picnic with her friends. However, it is still not known how the photo reached the hands of the two persons who uploaded it. They were produced at Chairab Court today and have been remanded for 3 days police custody. The case will be heard on the 29th of this month. 5-day training program on students' online enrollment and registration mechanism for class 11 and 12 and the Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSEM began today at COSEM office, Babupara. Speaking to media persons, Chairman of COSEM L. Mahendra stated that the mechanism will bring about a huge change in the administration by overcoming errors in manual work and preventing impersonation. He said the council plans to have the online verification of mark sheets, certificates and admit cards very soon, and students can also pay their fees through online bank transaction and save time. Mahendra said the mechanism for online enrollment and registration facility for students started in 2016 and new features were added in the existing mechanism to optimize its utility and benefits. He said after consulting with NIC, the training program was initiated in order to train school teachers in various districts under the council to acknowledge the new mechanism's utility and how to make use of it. The chairman is hopeful that the updated mechanism will ensure transparency in the functioning of the council.
Council ki library member ki member number council member is university yaure MIT yaure the education directorate yaure labor mayam sinsigi consensus of mana masi install to yaraga nasai ki sai six the thing very awa se online verifications na mo kon no ngani habegi wakanda yang consensus of approximately masi anoba renovation natani council da ikon puthok sari basi akoi ki fee thiba amama sida laga thiba adegi angang singda natraga parents singda inconvenience mayam ama thingna iba posi masu akoi na online da fee sidum bank ama ki through da dum thiba yarani haijari haiba posi anda dum puthok sara da bane.
Coalition for Indigenous Rights Campaign Students Front Sarkar appealed to the people to observe Manipur Independence Day on August 14 to remember and remind the younger generation that Manipur was once an independent nation. Speaking to media persons at AIMS office, Kwakaitil, convener of Sarkar Moirangthem Angamba says Manipur was granted independence by the British on August 14, 1947. On that very day, the then king of Manipur, Maharaj Bodhichandra, celebrated the day by hosting a flag with Pakhangba emblem on it. He said August 14 has been observed ever since by the members of Sarkar named the day as the Independence Day of Manipur.
11 August 1947 da Manipur ki Maharaj Bodhichandra amadi Governor General of India ani ki marakta sign tongnakiba instrument of accession hairga khangnaba ekoi gi matamdu ki Manipur amadi India ani ki marakta defense communication amadi external affairs asi India na fairaga lemhuri ba khuding maksi masana masagi langak home rule chalai jaba dugumba lenga ama leigadabani haidana matamdu de yana chi ama leikibadu India na su ikai kumna utkadamani amadi merger agreement togdringi mamang da leiram bai ko ki political status pre-merger political status atuda sungshodan hanjangadabani haiba demand asi Manipur meyamna punna tongminabagi tangai phata tanja du lak le khanjabol na hairiba thoram masi Manipur ki paksina mapam khuding da paktuk chagadabani.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates. Welcome back. You're watching Prime Time English News. Police conducted cordon and search operation in Khoga Tampak area of Churachandpur early this morning in the run-up to Independence Day celebration. A team of police led by additional SP L. Khongsai verified about 300 people during the operation, which lasted from 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. 16 persons without valid ID proof were taken to Churachandpur police station for further verification. An awareness program on diseases spread by mosquito was held at Yumnam Huidrom Laisangkong and Samuro Kaitel in Wangoi constituency after dengue claimed the life of a pregnant woman recently. A free mobile flood medical relief camp was held at Yumnam Huidrom Laisangkong after water receded in the area. MLA O Lukhoi, Health Additional Director Dr. Khoirom Sashikumar, Malaria Department and experts of Health Directorate took part in the awareness program. Dr. Khoirom Sashikumar says the awareness was organized to raise awareness among the people about the possibility of spread of diseases during the floods. He said it is best to consult doctors immediately. MLA Lukhoi said the death of the pregnant women is very unfortunate. He appealed to the people to take part in the awareness program.
Medical department, malaria department staff sing the hajar matamda fogging kap yaba yadaba asine sing tongan ba criteria mayam leibanina aina maduda comment pibadi ngamjakite chamuro hariba mafam sidagi yamna laptana leiriba khudong thiba nangiba imung sidagi surrounding side lokhot pa yaba preventive measures sing ado lokhot nanabagi damakta praja singda koi madugi awareness pinanabagi damakta laksabani masigi section thorang se lokhot pinabagi damakta
Students of various schools and colleges took out a protest rally today demanding the government to pass a bill in the assembly to protect the indigenous people and not to allow outsiders to contest elections in the state. Scuffles broke out between the students and the police when the students tried to march towards the assembly. KSA volunteers, along with the students of different schools from Sangakpam, marched towards the assembly defying police order and past Chingmerong police outpost. However, police managed to persuade them to turn back. Students of Imphal College also tried to take out a protest march, but police prevented them by locking the college gate. After half an hour of altercation with the students, police were able to put the situation under control. State Secretary of All India Students Federation K.H. Rameshwar said they have come across some private schools with no computer facilities even after they are charged fees from the students annually. Speaking to media at their office in BT Road, Rameshwar says the school inspection team found that 10 out of 17 private schools run in Imphal West and East do not even have a single computer, while 7 have old ones. The student body says they will take the matter very seriously.
Government schools singda high school aduga higher secondary da khoi pidagiba computer sing se khoi mathau tawdana leiba amadi smart board hojik higher secondary singda pidagiba khoi smart board se khoi mathau athu madam tawhanbiu na all the student federation mai kai gi thamjage khoi private higher secondary sing se si khoi topper leibagi khoi gi sigi chanabi se khoi khudak ta lepiu topper sing ji da khoi gi moi sing concession pina khotna ba kanda khoi nan topper adagi khoi lairaba mairoi singda aduki matik okay akan ba sai thing piba sijina maram morkan sijima khudak tele piu na mai ase mai kadi thamjage.
Unidentified miscreants yesterday abducted 2 civil engineers of Bharatiya Infra Private Limited. The 2 engineers were inspecting work at Old Kaipundai 16 km of Ziribam police station on National Highway 37 when they were kidnapped by 3 to 4 masked men for ransom. The 2 kidnapped engineers are identified as Brozeshwar Mandal and Pramanando Mahato. Ziribam police station has filed an FIR. 19 different organizations today held a consultation meeting to discuss the rising violence and crimes against women in Manipur at Lamyan Basangleng Palace Compound. President of Center for Women Development Kaisamthong Ningthauzam Ziban Mala says the meeting was organized with the objective to prevent the increasing crime against women and girl child in the society. He said awareness programs and punishing the culprits alone will not prevent the crimes. Ziban Mala termed the setting up of the first track court and helpline for women as a positive step.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ punishment piba plus awareness piba plus socialization gi process ta angang grassroots level dagi family level dagi phajana makoi singse thaksi khasi bebhar sina singba mayam se angang ori dagi dum tambi gi ba family da aduna si ya ya de social value singse phajana takpi tambi ba sina singba mayam se tawraga di punna chatpada khajik bhaubudi akhoi handaragadra haibisigi asane hun tawjari se.
4 different organizations today contributed 5,30,000 rupees to Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Lions Club donated 3 lakh rupees, Rotary Club 1 lakh rupees, MCS, MPS, MFS, Junior MCS officers of 2014 batch 1 lakh rupees and Unemployed Local Truck Owners Association Imphal contributed 30,000 rupees to CMRF. They handed over the amount to Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren at Chief Minister's Secretariat, and Biren thanked all the organizations for their help for the flood affected people. 17 Assam Rifles held an interactive meet of village headmen at Sangsak in Ukhrul district yesterday. 14 headmen of the nearby villages attended the meeting, which lasted for nearly 3 hours. The meet aimed at informing the headmen about various government schemes so that the people living in the remote areas can be benefited. 17 Assam Rifles also held an interactive meet of hunters in Kasong in Kamsong district yesterday to provide basic training on first aid to the hunters and farmers who go to the jungles to earn livelihood. Students of Laishram Mani Memorial Singh Academy, Khongbadobi, Lampak cleaned their school as part of the Socialist Students Union of Manipur campaign Aikhoigi Mahei Tampham Singh Lu Na Nathamsi. Information and Publicity Secretary SSUM Naurem Tano Ranjan said the campaign was launched in the beginning of the year with the objective to maintain the educational institutes neat and clean and to provide a healthy atmosphere for the students who are pillars of the society.
Socialist Union of Manipur hadak chahi asidagi hauna aikhoigi mahai tambam sang singlu nana thamlasi haiba thimasi makhachana landamasida leiriba lengaki amadi private institution kya da lu nana thamnaba student service camp park sana chathaba horagani masidaida mari leinaba singna amadi oja singna cooperation pibinaba haijari.
Before we end, a quick headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren urges all MLAs to unitedly fight against threats on territorial integrity of Manipur. Biren tells Assembly that there is no hidden agenda in tripartite talk with United Naga Council. Opposition MLA Joy Kisan asked government to remove designated camps of NSC and IM from Manipur. Government to declare results of constable recruitment soon. Police Department has 7,411 vacant posts. UCM accuses outfits of Kuki Mizochin under suspension of operation of indulging in violent activities outside designated camps. And 2 persons held on cybercrime charges remanded to police custody for 3 days.